Are you over 50, unfulfilled by your employment, looking for retirement? Create the life you deserve. Set a goal for earlier retirement. Start an online business that you have a passion for to give you both time freedom and financial security that you deserve. Click on the blue Life Change button on my right or around this video for a mobile device to receive free videos to give you an insight on how to set up your own online business. Have you lost the passion for your current employment or business? Or have you lost your income due to the pandemic? Are you feeling lost as to what is your future? Digital marketing is an alternate way to obtain a substantial income away from the 9-to-5 rat race. I believe digital marketing can significantly reduce your lifestyle of long hours, living from paycheck to paycheck, and release you of your feeling of being frustrated by your current employment or business. Become the boss of your online business and enjoy a laptop lifestyle. While surfing the internet, I came across a community of inspirational entrepreneurs. The amazing co-founders, Stuart and Jay, have more than 10 years experience of digital marketing and earning multiple 7-figure incomes. Stuart and Jay and other motivating entrepreneurs provide information on how to start your own online business from scratch. The entrepreneurs genuinely want to help everyone to succeed in their digital marketing adventure. The encouraging community will give you information on which business you can create, such as affiliate marketing, where you can endorse other companies' products, e-commerce, if you have a product of your own, or online coaching, where you feel you have more to give. Each business can change your and other people's lives for a better quality of life. If you want more information, I can send you free informative videos about the opportunities and possibilities of starting your own online business from scratch. Press the blue Life Change button on my right for PC or somewhere around this video for a mobile device. Enter your email address and I will send you the free videos. These are the same free videos that I received that helped me decide that online marketing was for me. Start your own online business now, as have thousands of people around the world have successfully created. We've entered a new era of digital marketing. You can change your life and start to live the enriched life you envisaged and deserve. With the correct mindset and effort, you can create your own online business. With a laptop lifestyle, you can certainly obtain financial freedom and time freedom. With time freedom, you can truly enjoy the events that are important to you. Spend quality time with your family, your wife, your children, your grandchildren. More time for socializing, spending quality time with your friends. Indulge in your favorite sport or enjoy the fruits of your much-loved hobby. No more commuting to and from your workplace. We all know how tiring that is, being caught in traffic, traveling on crowded public transport, walking through the busy morning streets of people going to start their day at work, or in the evening, wearily traveling back home. Enjoy the freedom to travel the world, holidaying in countries that you've always wanted to explore and fully discover their culture, all while working from an internet-connected laptop. You're not too old. I'm in my mid-60s and I feel I have many good years left. Online marketing can be set up while you're continuing with your current employment or business. Extensive technical computer skills are not necessary. With the experiential modules, you will be able to set up your online business from scratch. In addition, there are many questions and answer weekly webinars where you can ask the experts on how to achieve your results. With experiential learning modules, you will learn shortcuts on how to set up your online business in your own time frame. Also, you will have the information on automating your online business, which allows you to earn an income 7 days a week, 365 days a year, even while being offline or sleeping. I would like to help you by providing the information that I received, which can put you on the path to a laptop lifestyle. Make the change now. Do yourself a favor. You have nothing to lose. Watch the free videos and you can decide if this journey is for you. Press the blue Life Change button on my right for PC or somewhere around this video for mobile, and it'll take you to my website. Just enter your email details and I will send you the same free videos that I received with the information on how to start your digital marketing. Love the life you live the life you love. Get ready to press the button to my website.